This session will give you some further insight into career opportunities and pathways in the non-for-profit sector and the public sector.
Well, I found it really insightful because I was interested in that area, pro bono work, and I was really not interested in the corporate sector at all.
There's a really eclectic mix of speakers from really different backgrounds.
People are usually pretty keen to do pro bono work, happy to help the community, and lawyers all over the place are doing it all the time. And I think a lot of the people who work in the community, not-for-profit sector would say it's really satisfying work. I really like hearing people's stories, and I really like the actual tasks that I'm doing each day. We help people with the issues that are impacting on their quality of life, impacting on their ability to focus on treatment and family issues.
Corporate careers aren't the be-all and end-all of what you can do with a law degree, but there's a lot more out there for people that are looking to diversify and move into those remote regional areas or areas outside the corporate sphere.
That is really good experience for you. It helps out the community. I became a volunteer with the Australian Red Cross. I was also on the International Humanitarian Law Committee. When I was at law school, we didn't even really know that international law was as big as it is these days, especially in terms of war crimes and international crime.
Len from the International Committee of the Red Cross was absolutely fantastic, and that's pretty much my ideal career path, so it was fantastic to hear from him.
I do pro bono, but for me it's like setting fire to $30,000 in my backyard and getting a warm glow from that.
Definitely loved Alex, barrister at the end, just because I know that I'm looking to go into a career at the bar, and if I can end up like that, I think I'll judge my career very successful.
I'm a barrister, so my work, if I'm not in court, is 9 to 12:30. Back of that 9 to 5 rubbish. The obsession with you people is that you have to work in glass towers. Unless you have a family member in a big firm, you will have trouble getting in there, even with your distinction-laden career and your gorgeous looks. Back at the clerkship, you can actually get a job in the country.
As a first-year law student, I didn't know what other alternatives there were in my law career.
The first step was to go to work in the Welfare Rights Centre. My salary there would have been about a quarter of what I was earning at the Law Reform Commission, and I've never regretted it. It's opened up a whole range of opportunities, and I've seen so many other people who get habituated to a certain level and won't budge from it. 4 or 5 of us, together with some students, started the Redfern Legal Centre.
It was great to see the really varied ways that a law degree can be used, and very happy people as well.
I think people at the end of the day will gravitate towards what they love. Do you want to be chained to your desk till 3 o'clock in the morning because that deadline for some merger or acquisition is going down? You really need to look at what subjects take your interest and think about the type of lifestyle and workplace you want to work in when you finish.
Hopefully they'll give me some more ideas as what to do with my career.
There are a lot of myths, I think, about criminal law. There's a high burnout rate, there's gruesome subject matter. In comparison to corporate law, the pay is really bad. These are actually all true. But having said that, I work from 9 to 5. You get to see results, you get to win, you get to lose, you get to have a client hug you or cry.
Working beyond the corporate legal sector can be exciting, challenging, inspirational, and really life-changing in the true sense of the word.
Yeah, I'm really excited about what I can do with my law career now.